Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your display resolution. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, just go to here, to Window, Search, and just write here Display. And you're gonna see Display Settings right here. And then you're gonna see Display Resolution. And now you're gonna see all the resolution that you can choose. It's like really simple and really easy. And yeah, this is how you do it. So again, you go to Display and you're gonna select this scale and you allow layout. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.